Bye.
Sammy.
What's next?
Shut up, Gabriel.
What?
Evan.
Evan and Hello Boulevard apartment?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey Kyle,
Yeah.
you look like a cop through the mirror.
I do.
Yeah. I just remembered way back when I was 12 and 13, you were wearing a mask with your sunglasses on. I thought you looked like a cop over it.
Yeah.
It was one time I called you grumpy.
Remember when you
Yeah.
dressed like me and wore sunglasses and a hat?
Yeah. But guess what? Not anymore. I got regular glasses already. I got glasses and headphones. Just to keep off my volume because you're lucky. You're very lucky this time.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Missy keeps her volume up.
What the hell? Yeah.
No. No. No.
Yeah.
Stop it. Stop it. No. Mia. Don't be a troublemaker. Ow! What was that for? You don't even do it. Please no. Ah. Okay.
Oh, damn. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, you.
Oh darn. Wait. I don't know why people drive E36 now. Kyle.
I like E36.
I don't.
What?
Hope doesn't. Yeah.
What's the matter with it?
Why? I like E38 better. Yeah.
Me too.
You don't like E36?
Yes.
Oh, at least someone is on my side because
Mom. Mom.
oh.
You don't like
Yeah,
it?
damn.
And also E36 beeps like a fire alarm. I call it a fire alarm.
It does, huh?
And plus
Oh.
yeah. And and plus E36 breaks down on you. If it does, are you gonna get mad and destroy it?
Me.
Then do it. Oh,
Yeah.
smart train coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, and here comes the smart train.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Gabriel.
Okay.
What number? What DMUs are leading?
I don't know.
Oh, it's gonna fly by in any minute, you know.
You'll be able to tell what number.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, northbound. That is 110 and 109. 110 and 109.
What's that?
The smart train is
Oh.
109 and 110.
That?
Yes. Oh, they're following it.
Oh.
Just remove it.